Alt text in Lumio helps make your lessons accessible for students who use screen readers, while also improving clarity and organization for all learners. Screen readers follow content in a logical reading order and rely on alt text to describe images, shapes, and diagrams. Clear descriptions help students understand what each element shows and why it matters. To get started, select any meaningful element on the page, such as an image, shape, diagram, or grouped content. With the element selected, click the down arrow in the Object menu and choose Add Alt Text. Add a short, clear description explaining what the element shows and its instructional purpose. If an element is purely decorative and doesn't add instructional value, mark it as decoration so screen reader skips it. If you've drawn or layered elements using the pen tool, group them and add one alt text description to explain the relationship or sequence. Arrange content in a clear top to bottom, left to right order and minimize extra text boxes to support smoother screen reader navigation. Lumio currently supports screen readers in whole class whiteboard, group workspace, individual handout, shout it out, and response activities, making it easier for all students to access and engage with learning. Use alt text and accessible activity types in Lumio to remove barriers, support student choice, and design lessons for every learner.